Hello.
Hello?
Good afternoon. My name is Max with the US Savings Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm blessed, sir. Thanks for asking me. God bless you. Well, this call is about your Medicare. I believe we do have Medicare Part A and B, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. So, did you pay copay when go to doctor or any specialist sometime?
Yes.
Perfect. So, to give you the options for you, what's the zip code?
48126.
I got it, and it's still residing in the state of Michigan, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So, sir, do you have a secondary plan like Humana, United Healthcare, Aetna, Cigna, VA TRICARE?
No.
Perfect. So, how do you pronounce your first and last name?
My first name is pronounced Robert, and my last name is pronounced Grinnell.
I got it. And pretty much in all the information, so now it's time to show you some saving option we can do for you. I do have a specialist on the line. He will share the option with you, how much money you can save to give you the options for you, free quotes. So I believe we do have 10 to 15 minutes to discuss your option, talk to my specialist, right?
Yes.
So for the quality purposes, Mr. Robert, by submitting your information, you agree to receive communication via live audio dial, calls, email or text from our licensed agent on the number provided. Even if your number is on a $95 stay, do not call this, alright?
Yes.
Okay, stay with me, but don't hang up. I really appreciate it. Just give me a sec. And your age is 79, right?
Can you repeat your question?
I'm saying you said your age is 79, right?
That's right, uh-huh.
Perfect. Stay on the line. I'm dialing the number. Don't hang up. I really appreciate you. Enjoy the music. Just give me a sec.
Okay.
Hey, my name is Jay at the Senior Health Center. Now, at the Senior Health Center, we work with the top-rated Medigap agencies. Now, my job is to go over all your options and help you find the best Medigap plan for the best price, then have you assisted through the enrollment process. Now, has anyone explained what Medicare covers?
Well,
Doesn't it have supplements supposed to be essential? No,
Well-
supplements help covers the thing that the original Medicare doesn't cover, so many people find they don't have to worry about dipping into savings to cover medical expenses. Between the ages of 64 and 80,
yes.
again, are you 64 and 80?
I'm 79.
Okay, that's perfect. Now, do you currently have Medicare Parts A and B?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, to help narrow things down, are you on Medicaid?
No.
Now, are you able to 100 a month for coverage?
Your voice is cutting in and out. I don't know if there's something wrong with your headphone. Can you repeat your question?
Again, to afford $30, 100%.
You keep cutting in and out. I think there's something wrong with your headphone or whoever you're using as a phone provider.
How about now, sir? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you a lot better now.
Okay, now again, are you able to afford $130 a month for 100% coverage?
Yes.
Okay. Now, all I need to do, sir, is to connect you with a licensed Medigap specialist in your state of Michigan. I'm transferring right now, so to go over your best available options. Just give me 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Welcome.
Medicare Enrollment Center, this is Andrew.
Hey, Andrew, I have on the line.
My name is Robert Grinnell.
Thank you for calling the Medigap Enrollment Center. This is Maddie, who I have the pleasure of speaking with.
Hey, Manny,
Robert
Mr.
Grinnell.
Robert on the line, and he is interested in a Medicare supplement plan. Robert, you're in great hands. I'm getting off the line now.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Robert. My name is Maddie. I'll be your agent. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Before we get started, Robert, do you mind verifying your date of birth and zip code, please?
I was born a poor child, Christmas Day, year of our Lord, 1942. When I was born, the Battle of Stalingrad was still raging in Russia, and it was Franklin Roosevelt's third term in office.
That's great. All right, Robert, you have a good day.
But don't you want to enroll me in your insurance? Hello? Hello?